Good morning students. Today now we are going to topic about unit 4 electricity. You have already learned about electricity in your lower classes. Well, electricity deals with the flow of electric charges through a conductor. As a common term is referred to a form of energy. So the usage of electric current in our day-to-day daily life is very important and indispensable. You are already aware of the fact that is used in houses, educational, institutional, hospitals, industrials, etc. usings of electricity. Therefore, it is generation and transmission becomes a very crucial aspect of our life. In this lesson, you will learn various terms used in understanding the concept electricity. Okay, eventually you will realize the importance of the applications of electricity in day-to-day situation. Okay, students, first of all, shall we move the slide? Content. So more content including these lessons electricity. Next one, what is a charge? Shall we move the slide? What is a charge? Charge is a inherent properties of matter, that is field force of attraction, out repulsion. Due to the excesses or deficiency of electrons. There are two types, okay, positive charge and a negative charge. Positive charge due to the electrons deficiency and a negative charge due to the excess of electron. So SI unit of electricity, Columbus, okay, denoted by C. It is detected and measured using a device called electroscope. Next one, properties of charge. The total charge of the universe is conserved. Examples of constant the electricity, okay, like charges attract each other and unlike charges repel each other. So like charges attract each other and unlike charges repel each other. So positive or negatives attract, and in a positive and repulse. Okay, charge or additive in nature. Charge are always quantized. Q is equal to N into E. So where Q is equal to charge, N is equal to number of electrons, and E is equal to charge on one electrons. Okay, next one, methods of charging. What is methods of charging? Charge by conduction. Okay, only charge you flow that conduction. When a charged body is brought into the contact with a charged body, then the charge or electron are transferred from the charged body to the uncharged body. So this charges the uncharged body. So examples of changing natural object by conduction. Okay, natural object by conduction. Next one, methods of charging. Next one, what is electricity? What is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy. Already I told electricity, it is a form of energy, and light, it is a form of energy that can be easily charged to be may other forms. It can also be defined as a flow of electrons in a circuit. Okay, flow of electrons in your circuit. Likewise of light on. So light on is brightly power of in the room. Next one, potential differential. What is potential difference? It is the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from one point to another point in an electric field. It is a scalar quantity, SI unit joules per column or volts. Okay, per column atts or volts. It is responsible for the flow of current conductor measured by the device called voltmeter. So electric current, what is electric current? Electric current, it is the rate of flow of electric charge or electron through the conductor. So 1 is equal to q by t is equal to ne, number of electron by time. Okay. So where is I standard for the current? Then only it is scalar quantities as a unit of coulomb per second or ampere. So it is measured by the device called ammeter. The direction is taken opposite to the flow of electrons. So flow of the result potential difference across the ends of the conductor. Next one, electric field. Electric field, three-dimensional space around the change in which force, attraction and repulsion. Electric field intensity. First of all, it is the force experienced by the unit positive charge when placed in a magnetic field. It is denoted by E. So, SI unit of Newton per Coulomb by N, symbol formula of N by C. It is vector quantities. Okay, electricity, how do you say? Vector quantities. Next one, electric potential and potential difference. Electric potential, it is the amount of work done in bringing a net positive charge from infinity to a given point in a electric field. It is a scalar quantities. So SI unit joule per coulomb or volts. Next one, Ohm's law. What is importance of Ohm's law? So provided to Ohm. Okay. So it was stated by George Simon Ohm. So full name of George Simon Ohm. It states that the constant physical conditions like temperature are kept constant, then the amount of current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. So I alpha V is equal to IR, where R is a constant called resistance. According to this law, conductor are divided into ohmic conductors. So non-ohmic conductors do not follow the Ohm's law. So ohmic conductors follow the Ohm's law. Okay. Next one, IB cracks the conductors ohmic and non-ohmic. Okay. Next one, resistance and resistivity. What is resistance? It is defined as the hindrance to the flow of current. It is the ratio of potential difference to current or is equal to V by I. SI unit is volts per ampere or ohm, denoted by ohm symbols. Okay, you can observe. Reciprocal or resistance is called conduction. C. SI unit of ohm, power of -1. Okay. Next one, factor affecting resistance or alpha length and or alpha 1 by area of the cross sections of the conductor. So R alpha 1 by A or is equal to Bi by A, where constants rho. What is no P? This symbols of rho I by A, where is constant rho is the specific resistance of the conductor. Okay, next one, specific resistance. Specific resistance is the resistance of the conductor of unit length and a unit cross sectional area. So this formula, it is different on material of the conductor, denoted by rho. Okay, SI unit of ohms meter, then only rho alpha temperature of the conductor is also known as resistivity. Next one, types of resistance. So fixed resistance and variable resistance, there are two types, fixed resistance and variable resistance. These pictures observe. Okay students, their value does not changes unit constant physical condition. They are set as particular value, fixed resistance. Okay, so then only variable resistance, their resistance can be easily charged by changing area of cross sections and length. Okay, next one, electric current and its components. What is electric circuit? A closed path in which electric current can flow is called an electric circuit. There are two types, open circuit or closed circuit. Okay, two pictures observe, open circuit, first pictures, and second one pictures are closed circuit. Next one, electric circuit symbols. can you observe? So read in your books. Okay, so can you observe and read in your books these pictures of symbols uses the components. Okay, so uses the components of circuit. Measuring devices. What is measuring devices? Ammeter. It must be conducted in series in the circuit. Positive sides of ammeter must be conducted nearest to the positive terminal of the battery electric cells and vice versa. Okay. Next one, voltmeter. Voltmeter must be conducted in parallel to the circuit. The positive side of the voltmeter in conducted to the positive terminal of the cell and vice versa. Next one. Okay, this lesson is enough, mom. Shall we go to the lesson reading? Okay, go to the lesson reading. Very must reading, it is important. So can you observe the topic, so understand your topic? So all students read in your book. Okay, thank you students, thank you to all.